1972 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Fresh small block Chevy. 350 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. 4-bolt main, Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. As you can see, cowl induction hood. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front of this. Get a good look at the grille, headlight bezels, bumper. All right, still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on new Vision 5-spoke wheels. So painted black spokes, polished outer ring. Nice looking wheel in this car. Uniroyal radials, and those are date coded 23 and 24. So basically a year old with plenty of tread left on the tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. So red exterior, the black Rally Nova stripe, black vinyl interior, bucket seats up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look. You can see B&M shifter, little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. The black vinyl roof is new, so black vinyl on that in very nice shape. And you can see there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a couple imperfections in the paint. Did want to point one out right up there if you can see it. Not the easiest to see. Little spot there. And did notice a little one back here in that rear quarter. But overall, paint has a nice shine to it. One of those cars your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Have some fun. We will fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I am also going to go through a bunch of things that were just recently done in this car. We mentioned it does have the new wheels on it and the tires just a year old. New wheel cylinders, outer tie rod ends, outer tie rods and idler arm. Plugs, wires, cap, rotor, all new. Single wire alternators new, power steering, pump, high torque starter is all new on it. One of those cars, get in, turn the key and go. Battery's new, and I mentioned that vinyl top had been replaced. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. Take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see that paint practically looks wet. Nice shine to it. Again, not full of nicks, dings, chips, anything major. Oops, sorry about the focus there. Sometimes on these red ones, when they're really bright, the reflection seems like it plays with the camera a little bit. Focus, or ability to focus. All right, door panel. Good shape. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the seats. It does have seat belts intact, front and rear. Aftermarket tack mounted on the steering column. I think we should fire this up. Again, fresh 350 small block Chev underneath the hood. You can see tack is working. Radio's powered up here. Radio is working. Find a little better station reception wise. Voltmeter working. Oil pressure. That's a temp gauge on the right. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Technician noted the heater blows hot. Nice throttle response. Door closes nicely, and let's listen. Sounds pretty good. A little rumble coming out of that small block. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, check out the engine bay. Then we'll have Jason take it for a drive. All right, it's underside of the hood. Nice and clean. Flat black finish. Aluminum radiator. Headers. Again, power steering, power brakes. HI ignition. 350 cubic inches. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Running good. New single wire alternator. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Nova. This car has a lot of get up and go. We got a B&M shifter right here. It's an automatic, or you can bump shift to get through the gears. On a track, as I was saying, a strong runner. Our turn signal indicator is working. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. Let's get out on the road and see how she does. Just the right shift points, just the right torque converter to get up and go quickly. We have a radio on the dash also working. Down below the dash is a Bosch set of gauges. Are at about 14. The oil pressure is 50 psi and the temperature 190. That's all looking great. We have a tachometer right here from Equus, giving us 2,500 RPM. Speedometer also working. It's one of those you just want to keep hitting the throttle because it sounds so good. A little bit of wood grain on the doors. Black interior against that red exterior. Looking good. Bucket seats in this car. Getting a little tire squeal on the corners. Nice smooth ride on the road. This little bit downsized steering wheel just makes it easier to manage. Headliner looks good. Cowl induction hood looking good. Find all the pictures of this Chevy Nova at UniqueClassicCars.com.